Hello friends, in this video we learn canvas tag. So how can we use canvas tag? Like there's a rectangle in my web page and when I click on one button then I want one more rectangle into the first one and I want some text upon the rectangle. So we can do this by using canvas tag and JavaScript. So you can see that I have coded the main tags of HTML and their tags are HTML tag, head tag, style tag, script tag, title tag and body tag. Now firstly type here in body tag canvas like this and give a ID to this canvas, and the ID I am giving is CK means CA, and do not type anything in body tag. Now we have to do all the work in script tag and style tag. So firstly let's type here canvas and then like that. Now you have to type the style of border here, and the border I want is of 10 pixel I want double border and of black color, or you can type here purple color. And now we do not type anything in script tag, now means style tag. Now wait here a button which says click me, and type here a function on click function, and the function name I'm giving is can. This CA means canvas and this can means canvas, means this both means canvas, but here I do not type N and here I typed, so that this both things name will be different. And now in script tag we have to type here function, then can function and then bracket. Now here inside function you have to type var v or any other var name you can choose, and do not type apostrophe here. You have to type, because you have to type here document dot get element by id and then bracket then apostrophe. Now after typing like this you have to give the id which you gave to the canvas. So the id I gave is k, and then you have to type colon. Now wait one more var and you can give it name cone to it, and then type here is equal to then v. Now see why I typed here v, because the name of this var is v, that's why I typed here v. And here you have to type v dot then get context. Like this, and then type here bracket and then apostrophe. Now inside apostrophe type 2D, and means I want 2D rectangle, that's why I typed here 2D. And now type here cone. Why I type here cone? Because the id of this means the name of this var is cone, that's why I will type here cone. And now type here dot and then fill. Remember to type F small, and after typing fill you have to type here style, and remember to type S capital of style, and then type here is equal to and then apostrophe. and now give the color to your rectangle which you want inside of your rectangle. Here I am giving the color orchid, and then type here like colon. Now after typing like this, you have to type in the next line cone, then dot, then fill rect. Remember to type fill F small here and R capital in rect. Rect means rectangle. Now here you have to type bracket, and you can type here any number like 100, 100, 100 and 100. Why I type here 100, 100, 100, 100 means 4 times 100? Because I want the rectangle in the center, but in the bottom center, not in the very center. So if we type like this, then the rectangle will be in center. So after typing like this, type here colon, and then in the next line, first let's the output of this coding, then we will do more. Now when we click on click me, here's a rectangle, so it is looking very beautiful, but I want some text here. So for doing this, we have to type font dot font like this, and then is equal to, and I want bold font means you have to type here the means describe your font, which type of font you want. So I want bold font and of 10 pixel of Arial. Now in the next line you have to type here cone, then dot, then fill text. Remember to type T of the text in capital letters, and then you have to type a bracket, then apostrophe, and inside bracket you can type the text which you want inside of the rectangle. So I want your text here. Instead of typing this, you can type anything, and any bracket, but not in apostrophe. You have to type here comma, and then you have to type 1, then 50. Now see how it comes. This is a rectangle, and when we click on click me, here's the text. So if we type here 150 instead of 50, then see, then it is down here. So this number is for the down to bottom, and this number, see, if I type here 50, 50, then this text move a little from this corner. If I type here 90, now see it moves a little more. If I type here 100, then see how it is. So we can make our text bigger also. If I type here 20 pixel, see, and from here I will type 90 here, and see. So like this you can use canvas tag in HTML. So friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.